In this video, we will show you how to install an SSL certificate on your web server. If you completed step 2, you should have received SSL certificate files to your registered email. Download them to your local computer and open them in any text editor such as Notepad. Log into your cPanel account. Locate and click on SSL/TLS Manager in the Security section. Click on Manage SSL Sites under the Install and Manage SSL. Copy the certificate code from certificate.txt, including Begin Certificate and End Certificate, and paste it into the Certificate CRT field. Copy the private key code from privatekey.txt, including Begin Private Key and End Private Key, and paste it into the private key field. Copy the Certificate Authority Bundle code from cabundle.txt, including Begin Certificate and End Certificate, and paste it into the Certificate Authority Bundle field. Click on the Install Certificate button.